All right, we're at Underwood Family Farms. We're gonna do some strawberry picking. Caroline's going to feed Joan. Yeah, it's an old rusty thing. Carson, what is this? Hunter, what is this thing? Wow, this is old.
Can I drive it?
No, it doesn't work. It's old. Rusty. Last time we went strawberry picking here, Carson was a little baby. Yeah? This is an old rusty truck too. Yeah, look at it. Old. Old. Hello. Hello, Hunter? Oh. Here, let's go, should we do strawberry picking? Do strawberry picking. Come on, Carson. All right, boys, come on. Now I'm drinking some limoncello LaCroix. Oh, there's a bee. There's a bee. There's a bee. Dog walk, very nice. Now they got like a wine. They bottle wine here now. Wine, yeah. And they got like a. Last I heard, they're putting up a wine tasting area over there. What is this? That looks like this is part of a plant or something. Okay, let's go to the little store. All right. This is a wagon. Big wagon. All right. The store at McGrath Family Farm. Wow, guys. Check this out. All right, we're going to tell them that we want to pick strawberries. All right.
Hello. Yes, everything's open today.
He might be asking because we came, I don't know, last month? And strawberry picking wasn't open yet.
Oh, yep.
Yep. So, or maybe it was, no, in April, I believe it was.
Yeah, because of all the rain, our picking wouldn't start yet.
Oh, I
So
see.
our season's going to go late, which is nice.
Okay, cool.
I thought I recognized you. So.
Okay, yeah. You might have talked to.
So, follow me this way.
All right, let's follow the man, guys.
And then where's your wife? Or...
She's feeding our baby.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Sounds good. So I'll just give you the instructions
All right.
for safety. Oh, what's his name?
Carson.
That's my name.
Oh, his name's Carson too.
Yeah, you're also a Carson.
Yeah, I don't think you've ever met another Carson.
Well, nice to meet you.
You're Carson. His name is Carson.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm also a Carson.
It's Carson.
Well, don't pick the wood chips.
Oh yeah, you're gonna pick strawberries.
That's not fun.
Thank
Give
you.
you this one. Okay, follow me this way.
I think that's their wine area or something. Okay. You guys serve
My
wine?
mom's actually working over there. So
Okay.
If she sees you, I'm gonna tell her that another person.
It's yummy? Okay, guys. So let's go pick strawberries. All right, and he told us the best ones are in the middle, so let's go in the middle. Okay. Okay. So let's pick a lane, guys. Let's pick a row. Which row looks good? You know what? Let's kind of venture more this way. You kind of smell the strawberries in the air, guys? Huh? Okay. Actually, there's some good looking ones over there too. Here. Hey, let's go down this row, guys. I see some bunches of really red, ripe looking ones. And remember, Hunter, Carson. So you want the ones that are really nice and red. If they're kind of white or they're kind of pink, you don't want those because those ones aren't ripe. So look for the ones that are really nice and red. Yeah, that's a good one, Carson. Yeah, see like that one on the end? That one's not good. That one's, don't pick that one. But look at this bunch right there, Hunter. Right there. There's a bunch of really red looking, good looking strawberries. Yeah, that looks pretty good, Carson. Okay. You can have a bite or two, but remember we really have to pay for the ones we pick, but you can try one or try some to see if they're good. Okay, if you don't like it, then maybe move on from that plant, okay? Yeah. That one's good, yeah. Then it wasn't ripe if it was too sour. Yeah, no, the red ones, yeah, do the red ones. This one looks beautiful. This? No, don't do that one. It's not red. Here's. This one's delicious. That one's very good. Okay, so we know that these ones are good. So let's not eat anymore. Let's just pick them, okay? Because we still have to buy them. Yeah, you're picking good ones. You're picking great ones, Carson. Yeah, put them in there.
And I'm picking good ones.
Yeah, you guys are both picking good ones. Hunter, I think that bunch right there, that one low to the ground, I think those ones look really, really good. I know, it's okay. You're gonna get strawberry juice on your hands. It happens. Okay. It's okay. You can wipe it on your pants just for today. Don't be afraid. It's okay to get a little messy today, okay? All right, let's go strawberry picking. Wow, your row looks really good, Hunter. Yeah, look at them. Pick all these good-looking strawberries. Yeah. Well, that one. Yeah, okay, sure. Yeah. Okay. All right. No. That one doesn't look good. That one's not red. You want the really nice red ones.
This?
Yeah. So you guys pick the ones on the sides. I'll reach my arms in because I'm bigger and pick the ones in the middle. You can put it right there if you want. Sure. Hunter. There's Caroline. There's Mommy, guys. And there's Joan. Talking to that man. His name's Carson, too. The man. Hunter's just kind of a. You got some really good ones, Hunter?
The last time we went over there for strawberries,
Yep.
Right?
Yeah, I wonder if they like rotate.
Yeah.
There's still a lot of look at all these berries. There's so many. Yeah, that's a good one, Carson. I know. Some of them look so like perfect. Oh, you don't? No. See, Carson, look. These ones are not ripe. They're not red. You only want the beautiful red ones. Okay?
No.
Yes. Yeah.
This.
There you go.
No.
Oh, don't take out the beautiful structure. All right. You march to the beat of your own drum, dude. Yeah.
This?
Let me see. Let me see if it's good. No. Oh yeah, no, that one's not good. You're right. You want the red ones, Carson. Red ones, yeah. They're not. No, strawberries are not spicy. They're sweet. Not the leaves. Don't pull the leaves. Just the strawberries. That's a tractor. It's waving to us. That's nice. Yeah, we got strawberries. Yeah, lots of strawberries. We have to eat these. Maybe give some away. If we pick enough. Go ahead, Carson. Let's keep picking. Okay, that one's too white. That one's too white. Get a red one. Yeah, that one's good. Good. Was it too hard? Okay, keep picking. No. The red ones. Red. Yes, like the ones you picked. Red ones. Yeah? Okay, yeah, don't eat this time.
I have flowers.
There's a flower, turn in the basket.
That.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, you gotta take the stem off.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. You got me a flower?
I'm going.
You tired, buddies? You guys tired?
Okay, put it in your basket. That's great.
Gotta pull, Carson. Pull hard. All that work, huh? Just to throw. Hunter knows what's up. Hunter knows what to do. Is it red?
No, that's white.
Well, he's so attracted to the white pale ghost berries. I don't know why.
Maybe he's onto something.
No, he tried one, and he did not like it.
Maybe it is different. Is there an eggplant? There's some McGrath.
It's like D the bee.
She mingles the seeds.
Good job, Hunter.
Here, I like the berries.
Wow, you got lots of yummy berries. Look at those beautiful berries you picked, Hunter. You should be very proud of yourself. Yeah, strawberries are right. Well, yeah. They must be watering plants in there. They probably would grow stuff in there. Maybe we can ask the lady up here what they grow in there. All right, we gotta go buy our berries. Yummy yummies. Don't eat the stemmed. Okay, let's pay for them before you eat any more, buddy. What happened to you, friend? Friendo.